class we are reading this chapter 5, logo 2. So in this chapter we'll understand about some more commands in logo: hide turtle, show turtle, pen up, pen down, pen erase, and repeat command. So we will discuss all these points one by one. So let's start. First, hide turtle, and we use HT for this command. This short form of hide turtle is HT, and this command is used to hide the turtle. So when we give this command to the turtle, it will hide the turtle on our screen. And the syntax we have to enter for this: to hide the turtle, HT. Next command we have show turtle. So when we hide turtle and when we want to reappear the turtle on our screen, for that we have to use this show turtle command, and the syntax is ST. So this command will make the turtle reappear on the screen. So when we give the command ST, it will reappear the turtle on the screen. So just look at this picture, you can see there the triangular shape, the turtle is appear again when I write the instruction when I give the command ST. Next we have pen up. Pen up command is used to move the turtle, but what is the important thing, what is the main thing about this command, that it will not draw anything on the screen. So when we use this command, when we give this command PU, this command lift the pen up, and this command will move the turtle. This command will move the turtle but will not draw anything on the screen. And for this we use syntax PU for pen up. So sometimes the turtle move but it will not draw anything on your screen. So just like this, you just look at this image. So you will find there turtle is moving but it did not draw anything there. So for that we use pen up. Next command we have pen down. Pen down, this command puts the pen down and it allows turtle to draw again. So after the instruction PU is for lift the pen up and PD is for put the pen down, and it will allow the turtle to draw again, and the syntax is PD. And by default the turtle is in PD condition. When we are using logo, by default the turtle is in PD, pen down condition, and turtle draw on our screen in pen down condition. So when we use this command pen down PD, this command allows the turtle to draw again. Next command we have PE. PE for pen erase. And why we need PE? We need PE command to erase anything on our screen. When we use this command does not work. This command does the work of an eraser. As the name it has pen erase, so this command does the work of an eraser. And when we use this command, the PE command is used to rub or erase any portion of the drawing, and the syntax is PE. We should use PE for pen erase in logo. Last command we have repeat command. Repeat command is used to repeat the commands n number of times. So the command we are writing in logo, just like we are making a square, and we have the command like FD50 LT90. Again we write there FD50 LT90. So these are some commands we are repeating every time in our command window. So to reduce it, we use the repeat command. We have this function, this feature in logo, we can repeat this, and for this we have the syntax repeat. N is for number of times, and then you have to write the instruction. So just like this example, repeat to fd30 rt90. So this instruction will repeat 2 times. When we use this command, repeat command, the instruction whatever we are writing there, so the instruction fd30 and rt90 will repeat 2 times. So that's why we use repeat command in logo.